Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Pranjali Singer, one of the member of Speakers and Club organized by Training and Placement Cell of our university to enhance the communication skills of students. Yes, as we all know that we have gathered here for a group discussion. And the topic for today's group discussion is, are online classes as effective as offline classes? As we all know that this COVID-19 period has affected our education system drastically, and which results in all schools and colleges shut all across the world. Many government and private schools have started teaching these students by taking their online classes, and which is very appreciable step. So after this time, this was a very big question in everyone's mind and also became a topic for debate that which one is good, online class or offline class. So we all are here to discuss this thing, and I want you to present your views on this topic. Firstly, start giving your introduction, and after that we will start. So please, with who one will start?
Hello everyone. I am Vaishali. I'm from CSC branch.
Hello everyone. My name is Prakash Kumar Jha. I am in BTech ECE second year.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. I am Anisha Garg and I am in ECE second year.
Hello everyone. This is Saurabh Singh from JJ University IT department second year.
Okay, so let's start everyone.
Okay, so I want to start the topic that we all know in this COVID time, online education is necessary. But as we are debating on it, and we want to discuss that which one is better, the traditional method, the offline classes, or the online classes. So, in my opinion, online classes are not that good as the offline classes. There are many points which has to be considered in online classes. The very first, which I think is the most important, is that it is not available for all the students, as especially in the rural areas where the network connectivity is not so good. So students are not able to connect with the teachers online. So it is not good for all the students, and it may be beneficial for some of the students, but all the students are not benefited from it. So I think offline classes are way more better than the online classes.
Yes, Anisha, it's good, but there is a more thing that would add in your point side. But there are many solutions to make online classes better. Which one of these is, if we choose online classes, it's really to we have problem in network area in rural area, but we do not have any other option to take a move for in a COVID pandemic. So online class is better than the offline class in this time. Not regularly, and as the vaccine is released, we move for offline classes regularly. So I think online classes this time is very good, and but not very effective because it's a very time taking, very less communication system is here. Doubt class is not regularly session, but we have to improve our skills to better the online classes.
Yes, you are right, but I wanna say that online classes you say good, but what will happen if in some family means there is one phone and two students? Then what? How can they arrange? That is the most problem. By financial status, we can't increase. Someone has this, and in some families, most people are unemployed. So how can they arrange the mobile phones, computers? That's my point.
Especially you are right, but I think we have to manage because in this time and this pandemic, we have to manage ourselves to take a online class regularly. You also know this pandemic is very dangerous to all of them, and it is a man-to-man communicable. So we have to manage in this session.
Yeah, you're
In
right.
my
But how can
view,
manage
online
it?
class is better than offline class. Online class is a learning conducted over the internet. Online class is trending in the last few decades. The mode of education is changing on the basis of situation, problem, and need of the student. There are many advantages of online class over offline class. First of all, there is time flexibility. The online class have a huge time flexibility that can impact both teacher and student. They can choose comfort time zone based on their criteria. They can start their online class based on their comfort time zone. And another thing is that online class will not let you travel physically to attend the class. And this is also safe in the time of COVID-19 pandemic.
But Prakash, what about your doubt session? This is not take up regularly. Doubt session is more effective periods in our activity, curricular activity. So what the, can you have any
I
issue?
think online classes
Yes, we
are.
can
I think
clear
online
our
classes are
doubts.
more theoretical. I think online classes are
Yeah,
more
we can't
theoretical
gain
rather to
practical
just
knowledge from the online classes.
practical.
What
We
about our
can't get practical knowledge. Yes, we can't get the
Online class
practical
will,
knowledge. It is all about just reading and just staring the screen. But about the practical knowledge, and in the higher education, the practical knowledge is more important than to just cram about the books. So what about the practical knowledge of the students? It is just you have to read a book, give your exam, and just take your degree. It's not like that in the online education.
yeah, we can do practically also in online class. Online class will give you 24 into 7 knowledge. If the teachers are not available, you can watch their recorded lectures. You have been provided the study material that you can access anytime and anywhere.
But
But
on in online classes, the teacher student connection is just like nil. Okay, so a teacher can predict that a student can understand this topic or not by just looking at their faces. But in online classes, they are just get a filter of the screen. So the teacher student bonding is missing in this online system. So it is not very beneficial for the young children also, because sharing the screen for long hours is very dangerous for them. And they will not include get engaged with their friends also. So it is not good for uh, so young students. So
You
here
are
what,
right. We don't have the face-to-face interaction which we have in the our classrooms, and we don't have the environment of classroom with our friends and the teacher having personally solving our problems. We have this online. This is, I don't think.
in a higher education we will manage, but in a secondary or senior secondary education, here honesty play a very important role in online classes. If online classes is taken, then the online tests are also taken. But we, as we know and see in our society, the test will be conducted and the children not take test properly. He or they cheat, many other things are happen there. So their thinking power is gradually low. And if we take online classes regularly, the upcoming children are not highly thinkable. So it is a major thing which have to see in this whole session.
Okay,
If there
okay.
is proper rules and regulation for online class, there will be no cheating in online exams. There is an artificial intelligence which can
But one more
people
thing,
not
in
to cheat in
not all
online exam.
not all school are accredited to the artificial intelligence method. So we have to taken in India, especially in India, not all schools are take a artificial intelligence system to take the cheating method. So you have to see all of the whole country, not only a proper high standard school. In India, many middle range school is also there. So we have to mm, taken a step towards the cheating process.
If
Yeah, you're
proper
right. But it is
guidance
very,
and
it is
facilities will
very.
be given by the government, everything is possible, in my view.
You know, you
And the
think about
online class,
you think about government. So I think which is not take a proper step to this method, because you know about network. The mainly issue in the rural area, which is network. And at the Vaishali said, the only in a very financially problem in the family is one phone is here and two children. What can we do in this?
yeah, Saurabh, many states government had providing online lectures, tablets to the students
I
that
think
that
not
can help.
not many, few states, not many. It's a very major issue.
Some states are under processing and some had already given.
You not say only Karnataka, which is the Silicon, which also say the Silicon city of India. But you said many states that there were already a rural areas issues on network. So we don't have a bandwidth connection and optical fiber system. So we can't take online class regularly. We have to move on of offline class as soon as possible.
Yes, because in online education system, the main issue, I think the biggest issue is the practical knowledge. Because in some practicals, we need a specialized gadget, especially in physics practicals or something like that. So we can't afford them to be, make a lab in our home. So without lab, the practical, I think, is not possible. And in this online education system, the practical knowledge of the students will ruin,
I think,
and
Anisha,
they will
you
just
tell about
cram the
higher
things.
education, but in a secondary or primary education, the practical knowledge not play a very important role. So, but I think many issue is
The
gadget.
practical knowledge doesn't play a effective role in secondary education, but what about the co-curricular activities? Just like in school, it is not like just cram all the books and your future will be decided. There are a number of things in the school also which will help the students to increase their ability, thinking abilities, and all the curricular activities like the competitions held in the school, which also are equally important for the students. But in online classes, this is not going to happen.
Yeah, you are right.
Yeah, you are right. But we also have to see that about the health issues which we will face while spending all the day with the mobile phones and computers. This will affect our body. This is the main point.
Yeah, the physical and mental health of the students will definitely get affected as they are not working, and the discipline will also be lost in the students. Like in the school, we have to, you know, stand in queues, and we have to wait for each and everything. There is discipline in the students in the offline classes, but the discipline will be not be there in the online classes.
Online class will make you a self-disciplined because you have to care about your work, your assignments.
Because but
So
not
online class will make you a
This is
all children not think about their guardians should have to take a decision to go to school and learn discipline. Not only self learn discipline is not possible to every student.
Yeah, there is pressure in online classes that you have to be disciplined, but in online classes there is no one to pressurize you about the discipline.
Yeah,
So it is not in the case. Yes.
but many students are not comfortable while speaking in the offline class. They feel speech anxiety. They are feel comfortable in the online class. And whatever we learn in offline class, we'll forget within a 1 or 2 weeks. But whatever you learn in online class, the resource is always available with you and you can
the
access
resources are
it.
the resources are available by the kids, so they can make notes so that they can remember anytime they want to read
and the
sometime.
Prakash you
And online classes, as we
But
are
if
studying
you
from
have
the
any
internet, it
doubt,
will not come under the online classes, because this is available whether you go offline or online, because YouTube is available to everyone. So if you forget something, you can watch the video of this topic. So this is not that in online classes this is available and in offline classes this is not available. So that's not the case.
Okay,
the
okay, that's all.
video lecture provided by the teachers,
Okay,
and
okay.
we can.
So you all have spoken very well. As time is not much, so we have to end it here. You all have spoken very nicely, but I am seeing that only 4 people are participating in it, right? So that's not the correct thing. You should speak without any hesitation. So I think it was a very great time. Anyone who want to share his or her experience here? Okay, so at last I just want to say a thing, that as we all know that a coin has 2 sides, right? Head and tail. And like this, they online classes as well as offline classes, these two have both things, advantage and also disadvantage. So we can't ignore any of them, as both are very, very beneficial for us. At last, I just want to say that thank you very much for your support. Yes. And according to me, you all are already winners, as you have taken a step forward to take part in this event. So thank you very much.